How to transfer money on Revolut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can transfer money on Revolut. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you'd like to transfer money on Revolut, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Revolut app. There are many ways you can transfer money, and depending upon the type of transfer you want to make, whether you want to make an internal transfer to another Revolut account user, or whether you want to make an international transfer to maybe a person from the other countries and then send it to their bank account. What is it that you're really looking for? Because you can do all of those on Revolut. That's the great thing about it. So what you want to do is you want to come to the transfer tab. If you want to send money to any of the other Revolut account user, you can just enter their Revolution tag or Revolut tag, their phone number or their email address right over here. Or you can choose to scan the QR code by tapping the QR code icon and then just go ahead and let them share the code, and then they should be able to send money to you, or you should be able to send it to them. Or you can tap the new option from the top right. You can choose to make a bank transfer or maybe an international transfer or whatever else you prefer. If you want to transfer to a bank account, you can tap on bank recipient and you can choose individual bank or the business account, or you can choose to simply enter the country's recipient address over here, which means the recipient's bank address. Then after you've done that, make sure to enter their bank account number, their SWIFT code, their first middle name, the email, and then just tap on add recipient option. This is how you can transfer money on Revolut. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.